One of the best things that you can do in an online learning situation is to pre-record your lecture material or instructions for your assignments or whatnot. And I see that with some of our teachers in our district. But one of the ways that they can improve is actually going beyond just linking to their video and actually embedding it on the page. When a student sees the video on the page, they are compelled to hit that play button and interact with that content. When it's just a link, it's very easy to skip over. So I'm going to show you an example of where it is, and then we'll get it to where it could or probably should be. And so you see this example right here with one of our teachers, and I'm very thankful that they allow me to use their course as an example. They have a video linked right there at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up this page a little bit and hopefully make it a little bit more appealing to the student and easier to use. Okay, so I'm just going to, first we're going to open up this YouTube video. Okay, and there we go. And again, I love that this is being pre-recorded because when you pre-record a video, that means you get to use it over and over and over. You can add it to any course that you need to. It also allows you to use it for beyond just your course, that other people can use it as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click this share button right here, and I'm going to hit embed, and then I'm going to copy. Okay, and I'm just going to hit that copy button. Okay. Now let's go back over here to this page and let's go up here to the edit button. Okay. Now, before we add the code to it, let's put a text header. Use text headers. They are there for guiding your students to the exact content that you want, and you can use them in a way that help them to understand. So, watch lecture video. It can be something as simple as that. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually hit this center button right here in the toolbar. I'm going to click there and go to the center. And I'm going to do that before I embed it because it's a little bit simpler and quicker that way. A recent addition to the Canvas toolbar is actually an embed code button directly right there on the toolbar. Before you needed to go into the media portion and do it there, but now, okay, go back there, you can just click that button, and right here you can paste the code and hit submit. And there we go. I'm going to go ahead and delete that, and we're going to go ahead and call up, and we'll save, move my head. And there we go. That's just one quick and easy way that you can improve your pages, is to add that text header and to embed the code. When I see a play button, I want to hit play, and that's going to increase the number of students that are actually watching the videos and then coming back. It makes it a lot easier for them to interact with it. Why did I center it instead of having it on the left? It's for aesthetics. It just works better. And so when the page is shrunk or expanded, depending on the size of screen that they're using, by having it in the center, it's going to have equal width or equal margins on the side, and it just makes it visually appealing to the students. Cheers.